Hello everyone, welcome to this math video. We have a total of 900 books. So this will be my total number of books in the library. 300 books are non-fiction. Find the percentage of non-fiction books. So for part A, okay, so for this, we would need to have percentage of non-fiction books. There are 300 of them, so 300 out of 960 times 100%, and I would arrive at the answer for this would be 31 and 1/4%. Part B, percentage of fiction books is therefore pretty straightforward. Total always is represented by 100%. So 100%, I'm going to minus off my 31 and 1/4%. That will leave me with 68 and 3/4%. With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, please feel free to click on the subscribe button. Always happy to share with you how to solve math problems.